Hello good day viewers, welcome back once again. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Today we are going to solve for the value or values of x in the following exponential equation, right? Here we have -1 to the power of x is equal to 7. Here we are going to solve for the values of x. But in this equation, s cannot be real, right? If you try, okay, let's say x is equal to 2. When you substitute 2 here, we have -1 to the power of 2, that will give us 1. So the only things we have here is when x is equal to odd, we have -1. When x is equal to even, we have +1. Also, when x is equal to 0, we have just 1. So this is actually letting us know that the value of x here should not be real, right? Now let's go for the complex solutions, because I believe the equation has infinite number of complex solutions, right? Okay, now before we proceed, let us record this awesome identity given by Euler, right? That e to the power of I pi plus 1, this is equal to 0. So this implies that e to the power of I pi is equal to -1. Okay, now again, 1 is equal to e to the power of 2I pi. Obviously, this is also equal to e to the power of 4I pi, and so on. 1 is also equal to e to the power of -4I pi, of course, e to the power of -2I pi, e to the power of -6I pi, and so on, right? Now, in general, we can write that 1 is equal to e to the power of 2ni pi. Here, n is an integer, right? Okay, now, how does this going to help us here? How is this going to help us here? Now, if you multiply both sides by 7, here we get 7 is equal to 7 times e to the power of 2ni pi, right? Then, let's go back to the problem. We have -1 to the power of x, this is equal to 7. Here in this bracket, the -1 here, we are going to rewrite it in terms of the exponential I pi. So here we have in the bracket e to the power of I pi, then raised to the power of x, this is equal to, then the 7 from here, we write it as 7 times e to the power of 2ni pi, right? Okay. Now from here, according to the law of indices, we are going to multiply these powers together. So here we have e to the power of x I pi. This is equal to 7 times e to the power of 2ni pi. Now from here, we're going to take the natural log of both sides. Now, the natural log of e to the power of something simplifies exactly to that something, right? That is the natural log of e to the power of k. This is exactly equal to k. So if you take the natural log from the left, we have x times I pi. Then this is equal to, here, the natural log of two quantities or numbers or variable multiplying each other. We are going to make use of the addition property, right? The natural log of ab is equal to the natural log of a plus the natural log of b. So from here, this is equal to the natural log of 7 plus the natural log of e to the power of 2ni pi. Okay, from here we have x times I pi. This is equal to the natural log of 7 plus, what will happen here? So we have just 2ni pi. So let's divide both sides by I pi, and here by I pi. And here we have the solutions. X is equal to the natural log of 7 plus 2n I pi all divided by I pi, given that n is an integer, right? And this is the solution. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Bye bye.